On this Monday Morning Minute, it's Wednesday and Thursday, and we're at GIE in Kentucky. I'm in the Ventrac.
Hey, man.
What do we got here? Look at this, everybody. This is our favorite YouTuber, one of them, Pete from GCI, right?
Hang on just a second. We're going to do this a little different today. Hey, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day, and I'm going to ask you some questions.
Oh, no.
And we're going to see how smart you are.
Who set this up?
I don't know.
Okay.
All right, we're going to talk about lawn care a little bit. Now, where would you start with lawn care?
Just if I want to get into business.
Hang on. No, that's wrong. First
I
thing
need
you
to get a
do,
chance, Pete. Come on.
first thing you do is you need to determine what type of turf you have.
Okay,
Okay.
I'll take that, yeah.
Okay, you need to know whether you have a warm season turf or a cool season turf. Then you can move forward. Question number 2.
Okay.
Mowing height. What determines your mowing height?
Oh, I got this.
No,
So,
no, hang on. I'm going to take care of this. Check this out. Your mowing height is directly related to the turf type you have. Typically, warm season turf likes to be cut a little shorter. Cool season turf likes to be cut a little taller.
Well, hold on, let me stop you. I've seen your yard. Everybody's seen your yard.
Yes.
What do you mow your yard at?
4 to 4.5 inches.
4 to 4.5 inches.
Turf type tall fescue.
Wow. I can't argue with the results. I mean, it looks good.
That's right.
All right. Okay. Anyway.
Question number 3.
Number 3.
How much do you water your yard?
As much as possible.
No, that's wrong.
Come
Answer
on.
is wrong. Different turf types require different amounts of water per week.
I'm seeing a trend here. Everything's contingent on the turf type.
Everything is contingent on the type of turf you have. Aaron, you have won the contest today.
What do I win?
A Ventrac.
A Ventrac. Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Sounds good. Well, thanks for visiting us on our show. Everybody, if you haven't checked out Pete's channel, GCI Turf Services on YouTube, right?
Yes, sir.
Got a good website. He does good business. Has a lot of good tips for anybody out there doing lawn care, installs, anything like that, right?
Yes, we do. Absolutely. Our niche is kind of cool season turf, but in 2019 we're going to do a lot with warm season turf as well.
There you go. It's coming at you. I know everybody's asking for that. So,
yes.
Warm season turf, 2019.
GCITurfacademy.com.
Good deal. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you, Mr. Aaron.
Yep.